In this video we visit the International Cafe, Binis Bar, Gelatos Ice Cream Parlour, Vines Wine Bar. We have a lovely meal in Sabatinis Italian restaurant, and we spend some time relaxing in the Lotus Spa. These venues are all located on Plaza Deck, which is on Deck 5 of Sky Princess. The International Cafe is open 24 hours a day, serving pastries, sandwiches, light snacks and juices. They also serve tea and speciality coffees. Morning. The staff are very friendly and seem very happy to interact when they see a camera. We had the Princess Premium Plus Drinks package, and all the coffees on this menu were included in the price. Cheers, thank you. Cheers. This is Binis Bar later in the day, and as you can see, it does get quite busy, especially on a sea day. With the attractive golden brass spiral staircases and the large blue glass chandeliers, this 3-storey atrium in the centre of the ship makes for a great place to watch one of the many shows or demonstrations that took place throughout the day and in the evening. This is Gelatos a little later in the day to show what it's like when there are people about. We do try to film most of our video footage early in the mornings so as not to infringe on people's privacies. Morning. Early in the morning, Vines is a nice quiet place to sit and relax with a cup of coffee and possibly a pastry or two. Sabatinis Italian Trattoria is not included in the standard cruise price and extra charges do apply. Having said that, it was worth every penny and we thought that this was the best meal we'd had on this cruise. We had the Princess Plus package, which includes 2 speciality dining options. This was one of them and the other was the Crown Grill. You do need to go in quite hungry as we found the meal very filling. We had 5 courses, but the waiters did try to convince us to have even more. We did try to save ourselves for the desserts, and these were the best 4 puddings that we'd had on board. As you walk forward past the guest services and the shore excursions desk, you will come to the Lotus Spa. You will find a robe and slippers inside the lockers, and you're given an electronic key to enter this area. There are 11 of these heated beds, but for us the best bit is the hydrotherapy pool with its numerous jets and water spouts and 3 different types of sauna. There are also 3 different shower experiences with jets coming from above and at your body from out of the walls. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please like and subscribe.